Huh?
Different kind of video.
Yeah, you see it. It's like the open concept. I really like the kitchen.
Hey guys,
What's up? What's up?
how you doing? So work's over and we decided that we'll carry you on a journey to look at KingsLanding. Now I know you mentioned this property or this development in one of our previous videos. Which video was that, babe?
Upcoming developments in Jamaica. I'll put the link in the description so you can refer to that video. So if you want to know, if you want to see the website, more detail and pricing and stuff like that, you can definitely refer to that video. And there are other developments listed in that video as well, varying from various budgets. They're all listed there. Yeah, so today,
check that out.
Yeah man, check that out. Today we are going to Linstead, right, to show you the KingsLanding development. It's a very, very nice community, a very nice development. Alright, if you know you're thinking of investing in Jamaica, you live in Jamaica and you want to invest in a housing development that's outside of Kingston, right, yet is very accessible. Okay, so basically now we're leaving Bagwalk. This is the highway that the old road before the actual highway came into existence. So this connects Bagwalk with Ewarton and all them place there. And
so we're now approaching KingsLanding.
This is like the apartments at the front here. So as I said, they have units more closer. As I say, you guys can refer to the previous video, but generally, this is like the detached houses. Now just across the street, there appears to be a gas station, as well as that looks like a plaza right next door. So the area is being developed quite a lot. Alright, yeah man, I like that. So we're gonna try to gain entrance to see what's going on. That's nice. Comes to the driveway.
And the greenery? Or you'd have to plant your own? How you see it is? Like that.
Turn on the left.
Oh yeah, thanks. Yeah.
You have a video, cool shot.
Yeah. Huh?
Different kind of video.
Yeah, you see it. It's like the open concept. I really like the kitchen. Wow. It comes with cupboards.
Yeah, built by Jamaican, you know?
Built by Jamaican. Okay, that's great. So it's not imported artificial wood. It's real wood.
Yeah,
Solid natural wood. That's great. That's great. Well, decoration, eh? Yeah. And even this, it comes with the unit just like this.
Yeah, it's not coming.
Wow.
You know, your fridge and your stove, you have to
Yeah. Right. Nice.
Yeah.
The ceiling is so high. And the fixtures looks very good. Yeah. Love it, man. Yes. Wow. Oh, look like a commercial sink this.
Everything is different, you know?
Yes, man.
I like it.
Really.
Wow. Oh, like a back patio area.
Yeah, watch you going at the back there.
Oh. Whoa. Wow. Wow.
This is a typical space at the back. So this is like a standard space at the back.
Man.
You can put a little gazebo.
Yeah, if you want, right.
Section, you know?
This place is
Nice space.
this is like complete. You don't need to do no farm addition at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, complete. So there they are going down the stretch, and you have some unfinished ones down there. Yeah.
Like this. It takes a long time to grow grass.
Yeah.
So you already have grass. Makes a world of difference.
Wow. Sorry. Bedrooms.
So you have bedrooms on both sides? Bedrooms on both sides?
Wow. Like
Bedrooms on both sides.
kids room. It's huge.
Okay.
It's
So
huge.
If this is the kids' room.
Yeah, it's huge. It's huge.
Yeah.
Bathroom. Wow. It's really nice, eh?
So you have this one, and you can always have your linen stuff stored for each room in right here. Yeah.
Wow. You have linen stored in here, as I mentioned.
Yeah. One thing, if I have a kid, I would really love to have like a tub in this room instead of a walk-in, you know? If you are bathing, you can imagine bathing by here, so okay problem.
Oh, this is like the main bathroom.
No, the second.
This is
Oh.
this room.
Okay. Oh, the master is over on that side. Master is on the other side. Wow. The rooms are huge. They're big and
That
nice.
is true.
And it comes with the blinds too? Or you put them in separate? Yeah, it's cool. Nice.
That is space over here. I can put a nice little organizer.
Wow. Again, the living room and kitchen. It's an open, nice open concept. Corner room. Okay. Oh, so you can just easily just step away from
Once
the.
you have a guest,
Yeah,
they don't
yeah.
have to go in the room.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because some people not gonna be taking showers and stuff like that.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's nice.
This is
Nice.
master bedroom. I like it.
Wow.
I like the space.
Oh, wow.
They,
Wow.
we won't even go into the living
Yeah,
room.
more light?
We wouldn't even go into the living room, right?
Oh, that's outside. Oh, yeah.
So
Yeah.
what does this do? What does this control these lights?
Oh, oh. Oh, so if you turn off the main, oh, there you go. Wow. Wow.
And that is leading to the garage. Yes. So you can see what's going on outside. Okay.
Yeah. Exquisite.
And this is the walk-in closet there.
Two, his and hers closet. His and hers closet. Man, it's nice.
Nice.
It's nice. Yeah. And then the master bath. Nice. Wow. Yeah, it's nice. It's very spacious.
Yeah.
Can accommodate 2 persons easily. 2 persons getting ready, it's not a bother, you know.
Yeah.
Yes. Proper. And I really like the fixtures. They are good quality fixtures overall, I must say.
I love the space in here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is like the best space ever.
Yeah.
This is like the best space ever.
Guys, trust me.
Yeah.
Perfect. Why not?
You're Sabina? No? Okay.
Alright.
So this is the top.
This is like the garage area. It's a 2-car garage. It's nice. It's nice. Right.
I like the seating. Of the fact that it's electrical. It's like the electrical panel.
Construction still going on. Right, so the apartment over here, which will be 2-bedroom, right? And this is a 3-bedroom, and you have 4 and 5-bedroom as well. Yeah. So all this land space will be, you know, fitted with houses. There will be a pool as well. Wow. Okay.
So how big will it be? So it's going all the way back?
Yeah.
Yeah. So not a lot of houses though. Not a lot of houses. Because see the perimeter wall right there. So it's not a big thing at all.
Driving over phase 3 and that
Sure. Alright. And I'll put a link to their website in the description. You can definitely check that out. Alright. And these are the different options. The apartments here. 4-bedroom option. This is the 5.5 bedroom option, and of course this is the one that we just visited a while ago, the 3.5 bedroom, and you can see the price as well. All right. Yeah guys, I know you love that house tour, right? Because we certainly did.
Yep,
right?
we did.
We were wowed, you know, the place looked nice. You must, if you like the video, please hit the like button, right? And consider subscribing to our channel for more updates.
Hit the notification bell.
Hit the notification bell, right? We'll be posting more of these kind of videos along with our regular family vlog. Alright, so again, remember to subscribe. Yeah, so share the video with a friend that you think might be interested in this development. Alright, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Keep safe.